Hey guys, this is Ghost coming to you with my first Madden Mobile video, and it's gonna be 100K pack opening. Um, I hope I can pull a couple elites. That would be pretty awesome. Here we go. Go to store. I'll click on player packs. I don't think those red zone packs are worth a darn. Oi, 77 offensive guard, not too bad. That updates my team. Here we go. Oh, dang it. I think I already have this guy. Yeah, he's not very fast. That speed isn't very good. Oh yes, the Blake Bortles, dude. That guy goes for like 40K. I don't know if I should put him on my team or sell him. Dude, but that guy is good. Yes, first elite pull. Stevan Ridley. Oh, dude, that sign, it goes for like, I bet I could probably sell that for 60K. That would be pretty nice. Oh, dude, this pack opening's already going back. I bet you already made my money back on this sucker. And I'm updating my team as well. 75 overall. I'll keep doing that. Here. Dude, that's just ridiculous. Nothing good there, but let's see this guy's 88 speed. Nothing good. I only like 90 speeds, man. Those guys fly. This center upgrades my team. His run block isn't bad. Oh, his offensive guard. 89 run block and 78 pass block. His run block's unbelievable. Could use a little bit on his pass block though. Okay. The D tackle. Let's see what his strength's at. 86 strength, 62 speed. It's okay. Good for a starting out team. Oh. Oh, Jane Hughes. 89 strength. That's a pretty good strength. Guys, if we can get 5 likes on this video, I'll show you guys a sniping method that works. That I've got 100K off of. It works. It just takes a lot. It might take a little. It's kind of luck, but I promise I'll show you it. 80 run block, and there's the pass block we needed. Oh, our team's almost an 80 overall, just from packs. Never bought one guy. Oh, this center helps. Let's see what his is. 69 run, 75 pass. Better than creating offensive all silver players. Oh, guess that works. Ooh, another OT. See what his throwing power is. 93 throw power for EJ Manuel. When Tyrod Taylor was hurt, he threw a bunch of picks and he made the Bills lose a decent amount of games. I don't think he. I guess he does throw the ball pretty nice, doesn't he? Oh, Malik Johnson. Oh, Ryan Khalil. Dude, I probably made my money back on this. That's a center, too. I think I have him on a different account. Dude, that is freaking sick. Oh! Oh my gosh! And Andrew Whitworth? Oh my gosh. 85 run block, 93 pass block, 90 strength. I think we made more than our money back here on this pack. Let's see here. Sell items. We got. Oh, I bet you all those guys went on my team accidentally. Okay, so. Oh, I don't want this Andrew Whitworth on there, though. I'm going to sell him. I need to make my money back. Always make your money back before anything. Wait, who's that other elite we pulled? Oh, that Blake Bortles. Just stats. 93 throw power. That Tyrod Taylor can be in there. Tyrod Taylor is okay. So let's go see how much this Whitworth goes for. Let's go. WE plays for the Bengals. He's an elite. 85. Oh, not 85 to 40. Back. 85, 85. Oh, I must have spelled his last name wrong. Here, I'll search cell. And it's, oh, WH. What am I? I am stupid. I feel so stupid right now. WH Witt, and he's an offensive tackle. Oh, wait, 40K. I'll see what his cheapest one is at. 35, 1, 2, 3. Oh, his cheapest one. So I'm gonna sell him for 34, 9. So 3250. That's yep, and then 34,999. And I get that wraps up our video. I hope this one was a